Welcome to Aspiring Writer Academy. I'm Samantha Panzera, and I teach the tech and marketing side of things here. Today, I am so excited to be talking to you about QR codes. I'm going to be sharing 3 of my favorite free QR code generators that are fast, simple, easy to use, great for writers who want to quickly generate a QR code to include in the back of their novel. Real fast, before showing you 3 of my favorite free QR code generators, I wanted to show you how QR codes can look in the back of your manuscript. And so right here, I'm in the back of one of Darlene Panzera's stories, and you can see I have a newsletter sign-up QR code where people can easily sign up for her offer newsletter. Right here, I have a QR code at the end of a first chapter of one of her other books. So she has chapter 1, and then a few pages of that story. And then there's a QR code where readers can scan that and purchase that novel if they liked it and want to continue reading. And then I have QR codes linking to other books that she has written. And so QR codes are a fabulous way where you can get readers to sign up for offer email newsletters, encourage sales of other books. They are an awesome tool to include in the back matter of your stories. So my number 1 favorite is QR Code Monkey. QR Code Monkey has a lot of customization where if you wanted a little bit of a fancier QR code, you can do that. But it is very quick on generating just your standard black and white QR codes, which are great for including in paperback novels. First, I wanted to show QR Code Monkey. This is a free QR code generator, which is very simple to use. You just enter the URL of the page you want to link to. And so, for example, right here, I have offered Darlene Panzera's email newsletter sign up. To create a link to this page on our website, I just right here, right click and click copy. And I go to QR Code Monkey and paste the URL. If you don't want to do anything fancy where you have color gradients or any special designs, you just can keep it as is. The settings will default to standard black and white, which is great for print books. If you want it a little bit smaller size for print books, you aren't going to need a super large image side. You can bop that down to 200 by 200 pixels or 400 by 400 pixels. And click Create QR Code. Wait for that to load. Right here is that generated code. You can download it in other file formats. And then you can click Download PNG. Wait a moment for the loader. And when that's done generating, you can give your QR code a file name. That way it's easy to identify when uploading it to your manuscript. My second favorite QR code generator is Adobe Express. Adobe Express has a paid version, but in their free version, you can quickly generate a QR code for your book. It's very simple and easy to use, and I highly recommend it for new writers. So right here into Google, type in Adobe Express, and right here, I click on that. Right here, they have their 30-day free trial. If you want the pro version, right here, you can just click on Get Adobe Express Free. There's less features in the free, but it's enough to create a QR code. Right here in the search bar, can type in QR code generator. Or just the QR, already generate QR code is popping up. Adobe Express, their QR code generator is a little bit more simple. It comes standard on black, but if you wanted to change the color and a few of the other features, you can, but I recommend just sticking with standard black. Right here, you can paste the URL of one of your book pages from your website or from Amazon, and you can add your URL right there. And once your URL is entered, you can select file format. Again, I recommend PNG. That's great for images. You can also download it as a JPEG or SVG file. And then you just click download. And again, you can give your file a file name that makes it easily identifiable when uploading it to your manuscript. My third favorite QR code generator is QR Code Fox. QR Code Fox is a free tool that makes it easy to generate a QR code. The only downside about QR Code Fox, especially if you have to generate more than one QR code, is you do have to enter your email for them to send you the QR code. And so that's a little bit clunky when you're trying to generate multiple QR codes in a row. And so unlike QR Code Monkey and Adobe Express, where you can just refresh the page and instantly add a new URL and generate a brand new QR code for your story. Now, for my third favorite free QR code generator, QR Code Fox, they're also a free generator. And so right here into Google, type in QR Code Fox and can select on them. And then right here, try QR Code Fox. You can enter the website that you want to link to. So right here is Offer Darlene Panzera's Bet You'll Marry Me. And so there's the link. And then just click Proceed. And you'll just want to click on Traditional. They have a few other options, but for print books, you'll want a traditional QR code. And then you can choose shape. Best, again, stick with standard square, fill blocks, and you can customize things a little bit, but better to keep it standard, especially for print novels. Click Proceed. Now, QR Code Fox does want an email for them to send it to. And so if you do not want to give your email address to another company, I recommend sticking with QR Code Monkey or Adobe Express. Or if you do want the free QR code through QR Code Fox, you can enter your email and click send, and they will send you the QR code. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, shoot me a message in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want some help with your own story, be sure to download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet. It's filled with fill-in-the-blank templates and story examples to help you get started with brainstorming your novel. All right, catch you next time.